Hey there! Anastasia Sagar here, and I teach Russian on italki.com. Today I'm gonna talk about 5 Russian words borrowed from English. The Russian language is just like a pizza. You wanna buy pizza? Oh, of course I don't mean authentic Italian pizza, but I mean the ones made in other countries. Because when we cook it, we literally add everything, whatever we have in the fridge. That's canned corn, bacon, pickles, mozzarella, mayonnaise, mushrooms by the way. So why did I compare the Russian language with the pizza? Just because in Russian there are so many borrowed words that sometimes I even doubt if the true original Russian words ever exist. The borrowed words, however, are divided into 2 main categories. The one is completely borrowed words together with its pronunciation and sometimes even spelling. And the second group is borrowed root from German, French, English, other languages, but the ending is Russian and pronunciation is Russian, so the word is completely adapted to Russian language. We're gonna talk today about the first group, completely borrowed words. Even if your Russian level is 0, after watching this video you can say, I know a few words. Let's see what we have. Sandwich. Oh, wait, what again? You want me to translate this word? Are you sure? Say it again. Sandwich. Okay, that actually means a yellow card, you know? Surprised. No, of course, that means sandwich. The second word is internet. That is easy, right? We didn't change much about this word. Internet. The next one is computer. Computer. Next one is джинсы. Come on, don't say I don't understand this word. Say it again. Джинсы. That is jeans. Alright, maybe not completely borrowed, but 95% same as in English. Джинсы. The last one is cash. Even though in Russian we have a different word for cash, and that different word is more Russian, this one is widely used especially among young people. So, these are 5 things a modern person can't live without. Let us revise them again. Sandwich, internet, компьютер, джинсы, cash. So now you can be sure you can survive in Russia, because you can actually point to these 5 vital things. That's all for today, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the italki channel to see more tips on learning Russian. Also, you can take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description.